Hello and welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a cartwheel using FreeCAD. This guide is beginner-friendly and perfect for anyone new to 3D modeling. What you'll learn: sketching with circles, using pad and thickness tools, applying draft array, creating a torus for realistic wheel details. Let's get started. Wheel Hub. Open FreeCAD and start a new project. Switch to the Part Design workbench. Create a new body, then open Sketcher. Select the XY plane, then click OK. Use the Circle tool to draw two concentric circles, inner and outer rim of the hub. Adjust the dimensions to your desired size. Click Close, then use the Pad tool to extrude the sketch. This forms the center support of the wheel. Create the spokes, create a new body, open Sketcher, and select the XZ plane. Draw a circle in the center aligned with the hub. Use the Pad tool to extrude the circle slightly. Tilt it at a slight angle using the Transform tool for a natural spoke tilt. Switch to the Draft workbench and use the Polar Array tool. Set the number of elements to 8. Adjust the rotation center point, then click OK. You now have 8 evenly spaced spokes. Wheel rim. Create another new body and open a new sketch on the XY plane. Draw two concentric circles again for the rim. Close the sketch and use the Pad tool to set the thickness. Select the inner circle face and apply the thickness tool to hollow out the rim. Now you have a realistic wheel rim. Tire, create a new body and sketch on the XY plane. Use the Torus primitive in the part workbench. Adjust the major and minor radius to fit over the rim. Use the transform tool to align and place it correctly. Your cartwheel is now ready. Looks great, doesn't it? Final words. This project is a great introduction to using FreeCAD Sketcher, part design, and draft workbenches. You now know how to build complex objects like a cartwheel using basic tools and creative positioning. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe for more FreeCAD content. Got questions or feedback? Drop a comment below.